Hello everyone, this is Dwayne Pinnell with Transwest Truck Trailer RV here in Belton, Missouri again. Oh, today's a gloomy day, but we're inside and it's very warm and nice in this new 2022 Newmar Ventana. This is a 37-foot floor plan, the 3709, and this coach is just beautiful. It's got a lot of the amenities because over the last few years, Newmar has really upgraded this Ventana so that it comes a little bit closer to that of the Dutch Star. Now at 37 feet, this coach has a Cummins engine that is a 360 horsepower engine in the coach. And this particular coach sits on a Freightliner chassis, and so you don't have any tag axle at this length. It gives you a length that you're maybe able to get into more camping spots across the United States. And people come in and they say, I'm worried about getting a coach that's too large because I want to see the national and state parks and everything like that. This coach would allow you to get into more of those if in fact you were able to do so at all. Now, we're talking about the Newmar, of course, so we're talking about the comfort drive steering in this coach, as all Newmar diesels have, with the exception of that front engine Canyon Star. But just the beautiful decor. This is the Newport glazed maple in this coach. And let me see, the Colfax decor is the package that we're looking at right now. So we have on the exterior of this coach, and Katie's going to show you around that here in a little bit, but it's exterior colors that we have chosen ourselves. So it's not going to be the run-of-the-mill colors that you're able to get from Newmar because of their particular color palette that they're using for the Ventana in the 2022. So this coach is an all-electric coach. You have the hydronic heating in it, and it's a little bit different floor plan. A lot of people like a fireplace, and so with this particular coach, you'll see that you have one, and then you do have a television TV that comes up just behind that fireplace down below. So it gives you nice space to sit comfortably. On the passenger side of the coach, in the sofa here, that does make a bed. It will come out and you have a mattress that's on top of the hide bed here. And then this coach, even though small, you have also a sleeping space in the booth dinette. There is a cushion whenever you drop the table down that goes into the void that's created by the table being down there. So for smaller people, it's not a huge bed, but still comfortable for maybe children, grandchildren, people you want to take along that just aren't very large, but they need, of course, the space to sleep comfortably. This gives you the opportunity to do that. We've got all the nighttime shades pulled right now, so it's very private in here. This coach is equipped with day and nighttime shades. So you have that screen look of the daytime shades, so you can filter that sun if it's hot outside, but at nighttime you have full privacy in the coach all the way around. So you've got the two sets of shades on every single window in the coach. This coach also, at the Ventana level, has the keyless entry. So if you have a code that you have set up that is easy for you to remember, one of our techs, if you come and buy the coach from me, is able to set that code for you, so that makes it easy every single time to get in the coach. And then just a simple hold of that lock key at the top and it'll lock down everything around the coach. Really nice and convenient for you. Now with this coach, the front two seats here in the cockpit do turn around. So while you only have a linear kitchen here with your countertop space, and you have a lot of it, you also have linear seating over here. But with the fact that these two recliners turn around here in the captain's chairs, it gives you more space for conversational situations where you've got maybe friends or neighbors at the campground coming over, spending a little time with you. Very convenient to do all of that. Somebody pointed out the other day, because they liked it and they've already had coaches and they've had coaches along the way, that you do have a little pocket back here. So we may be beyond the day of a road map or an atlas or something like that, but it does give you an opportunity to put something behind here to stow it, maybe an umbrella, anything like that that you'd want to. You've got the Freightliner chassis here, So you do have that control switch on the right hand side of the steering column that will take you through your transmission for the forward and for the reverse and neutral, and then of course your air brake on the dash. So we also have a charging station that's wireless for phones that are equipped such to do that. And then also on the passenger side, there's also wireless phone charging station there. And then the typical, if you're familiar with Newmar at all, you've got the typical desktop that's more like a school top desk. It slides forward, comes up and over the lap of whoever the co-pilot is, and gives you a nice surface there. You've got a little cup holder spot that you can put a cup there for a drink, a beverage, and it'll stay in place pretty well. You can see again, 37-foot coach. You've got plenty of cabinet space around here. And this one is also equipped, and I said it was all electric. You've got the dishwasher here below. You do have that removable cooktop that Newmar's been putting in now for a few years, which is really, really convenient. And then you also, in this one, have the appliance garage. So if you've got a toaster, maybe a smaller coffee maker, a place to get that out of the way off of the countertop, make it very, very nice and decluttered, so that you don't have to look at those things while going down the road, or maybe even going down the road so that they don't slide off while you're moving. Typical Newmar again, where you don't have those ugly vents in the ceiling. You've got a nice padded insulated ceiling here, but at the same time all your vents for your AC are right down the center of the coach. Even with the slides in, you're not going to have the air suffocated for your air conditioning by the slides being in, because they're not going to suffocate any vents here in the perimeter outside. So you're going to get that full benefit of the air going down the road even, and it's nice consistent air with those two units that are on top of here. So your guests will stay cool back here if you've got someone riding back here going down the road, and you've got the dash here, of course, if there's just two of you, but maybe you have pets and you want to keep this space nice and comfy. You can do that with these two ACs while going down the road and running your generator. This does have a bath and a half floor plan, so the half bath mid-coach is right here, and you see very, very nice amenities, nice cabinet space, and then also in the Ventana in the last several years they've come up with the multiplex lighting even at this level. So you've got your light switches that are simply push button instead of the old toggle type switches that we used to have. As I move back, we've got a residential refrigerator here, and it does have a locking mechanism. So nice French doors opening, so you have access to everything from the doors to the coach, from the refrigerator inside. You've got trays that will move, so you can put taller items there as well, and just a really, really nice unit. And this is a whirlpool. And then also your freezer space. You do have the freezer tray here, and then dropping your ice for the ice maker into the bin there. And again, that locking mechanism is very nice. Moving back to the master bedroom. Closet space is at a premium in most coaches, as you know. In this one, I don't think you're lacking in any space at all. You still have the overhead cabinets above the headboard on the slide here. This is a king-size bed. You have electrical outlets on either side of the tabletops, and then you have a little bit of storage as well. And these electrical outlets also are USB equipped. And then again, I like to point out the fact that there are a lot of people that use CPAP machines, and in this space you have the electrical outlet inside. So this unit is large enough to fit most of those devices, and then you do have a port here where the hose can drop down, and then one can wear their mask here without having it on the side, with the unit on the side table here. So it makes it very convenient for those who have to use that for their health. You do have the side windows here that will vent, so in nice weather, if it's not too cold, you could vent those open and you could get some fresh air while sleeping, which is always great. And then nice huge TV here, 2 wardrobes on either side of the TV there with nice space, cabinet, and drawers below. So you have for those folding items that you want. Again, another wardrobe here, and then nice storage under the bed as well. Now you see this is the cushion for that dining space in the front for the booth dinette. When that table drops, it fills that void that I mentioned earlier in the video. And then we'll move on back to the master bath. So you do have heated tile floors in this, again being an all-electric coach. So you literally have tile floors that are heated in the bathroom and then all the way through the coach to the front through several zones. Nice exit door here, which is a big deal, something that Newmar came out. And there's the example of that mesh type screen that gives you the daylight filtered sun. And then you've got your push button flush. This has the stacked washer and dryer. So really all the amenities from home on the road in this particular coach. And then nice cabinet space throughout, a vanity that can store all of your toiletries and things like that, maybe more supplies. Nice solid surface countertops, beautiful backsplash subway tile here. And then here you have a bifold door that opens to expose yet another wardrobe, and then a drawer beneath again for more folding items. So this has got the Aquamizer in it, the Aqua View, so you can recirculate your water and not waste it, which is a phenomenal function in these coaches because, again, don't want to waste water to conserve, you know, and protect our environment. Also, you don't want to just waste it and it not be hot and just go down the drain. You can actually wait until that gets hot and warms up so that you can use it and take your shower and whatnot. Wash your hair if you have any, unfortunately. Oh well. So again, I'm Dwayne Pennell. My phone number is 816-516-5312. Again, that's 816-516-5312. And my email address is dwayne.pinnell@transwest.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. Again, Katie's going to go around the outside of the unit so you get an idea of what the storage looks like out there. But I hope you'll call me about this or any of the other inventory that we have here in Belton, Missouri. It'd be my pleasure to help you, and I hope you'll give me a call. Again, Dwayne Pennell, 816-516-5312. And if you have a unit that you're looking to sell that's in great condition, we'd love to talk to you about it. We are still needing inventory. We'd like to chat with you about that. And also we sell trucks in this facility, so we'd also be interested in maybe purchasing a truck from you that you're wanting to sell. Dwayne Pennell here, 816-516-5312. Have a great day and thank you for joining me.